I'm going to go in with my Nars foundation. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. And I like using this because, especially paired with the e.l.f. Putty Primer, the Luminous Putty Primer, because again, it creates like a light glow almost. And I still do kind of like the matte look, but I do enjoy a dewy-ish finish. And so this is in Stromboli medium 3. I think right now, like, so my skin tone kind of fluctuates based on how much I go out. And so right now it's a little too light for my shade, but I think I'm just going to go in with some bronzer to make it work. And yeah, I know a lot of people put on foundation in different ways, but I honestly just put my fingers and like put it on my face just like this. I'm not going to put a lot of foundation on just because I'm going to a very casual event, like, but just for a soft look. So after it's on my face, how I like to blend it in is with the Build and Buff brush from Huda Beauty. This one I got, I think, a year ago during the Black Friday sale, and it was really expensive. I think it was like a $35 brush, but I swear by it. I use this side for my foundation, this side for my contour, and I think it works out so well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I like tap my foundation around just like that.